Hey there, and welcome. Ever wondered how to turn your skills into a thriving online business? Today, we're diving into the world of Fiverr, a platform that's empowering creators and entrepreneurs just like you to connect with clients worldwide. Fiverr isn't just a marketplace, it's a launchpad. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, a virtual assistant, or have any other digital skill, Fiverr offers a straightforward way to offer your services, known as gigs, to a global audience. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible even if you're new to freelancing. Getting started is simple. You create a profile, highlighting your expertise and what you can offer. Then, you craft your gigs, essentially, your service packages. Think of them as mini advertisements for your skills. The key is to be clear, concise, and compelling. What problem do you solve for clients? What unique value do you bring? One of the most exciting aspects of Fiverr is its continuous evolution. They're always introducing new features and improvements to enhance the user experience for both buyers and sellers. For instance, they've refined the search and filtering options, making it easier for clients to find exactly what they need and for your gigs to be discovered by the right people. They also offer tools to help you manage your orders, communicate with clients, and track your earnings, all within a secure environment. Using Fiverr effectively is about more than just listing a service. It's about building a reputation, delivering high-quality work, communicating professionally, and meeting deadlines are paramount. Positive reviews are your currency on the platform, and they build trust, leading to more opportunities. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually expand your offerings as you gain experience and confidence. What's new and noteworthy? Fiverr is constantly adapting to the changing freelance landscape. They're investing in resources to help sellers grow, offering insights into market trends and best practices. They also have a robust support system to assist you if you encounter any challenges. The platform encourages a collaborative spirit, and many sellers find success by learning from each other. The beauty of Fiverr lies in its accessibility and the potential it unlocks. It allows you to set your own hours, work from anywhere, and build a business around your passions. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to gain financial independence and professional fulfillment through their digital talents. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore Fiverr. I hope this introduction has sparked your curiosity and shown you the incredible possibilities that await. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more insights and tips on navigating the digital world.